Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday to you. I took this film yesterday, or footage, if you will, yesterday afternoon. Excuse me. We had a sudden storm. The storm was insane. I got to capture a little bit of it. You're going to notice a lot of weird things, especially this photo you're looking at. There's some anomalies that do not look like clouds. They're in the sky at the end of this video. I don't know, you guys, from a distance it looks like a reptilian. It's just my theory. Don't go nowhere with that. If it doesn't apply, you're not offended, right? It looks like a craft. It looks like a reptilian craft. That's my judgment, my belief. I've seen them, pretty much can recognize them. However, the beings don't look reptilian. So I broke it down in different filters just so you can get a look of exactly what I'm talking about. It's pretty creepy. Be sure and pay close attention to the end. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Help me, help others wake up. Love and light to each and every one of you. This picture right here was wicked. Get a really good look at it. Love and light, guys. Enjoy the video. Thanks. I have more coming also. This crazy storm we got, you guys.
I know the rainbow coming down Fairview was so pretty.
Was it?
Yes, it was so pretty.
I did not get to see it. Dang it. I'm sure somebody did. I'll check Facebook.
Yeah, everybody had their phones out. I was like this trying to open my camera and I couldn't get it before I went by.
All you gotta do is go on Facebook. They know everything. Yeah, we have clear blue skies over here. This over there. Look at that, y'all. It's quite interesting. Very interesting.